Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change edge panel position of your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. Usually, you will get edge panel by swiping on the right side near the edge of the screen, near this power button, volume up or down buttons. Here, okay. See here. I have swiped like this and edge panel is opening. Okay, if you want to change this edge panel position from right side to left side, yes, you can do it. If you swipe in the left side, it will not now opening. It's opening from the right side itself. If you want to change to left side, just go to the settings of our phone here, then go to display, then go to edge panel, click on edge panels and click on handle, and here select position and select left, so that edge panel will be available now from left side. See here. So in this way you can easily change edge panel position in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.